Well, we're going to be installing a new air filter today. And luckily, got all the bolts already broke loose. I've only got a couple that I've got to actually pull off. Alright, got the new filter in, but now we're going to work on trying to get all the intake system off, pull it from the turbo, clean all these lines out, and try and get all the dirt out of it, because they're kind of nasty. Man, the level of dirt inside these things that I cannot explain. They are filthy. You can really see it right there. Get the shadow just right. You can see all that dirt back in there. Good Lord, this thing was a filthy beast. See what we can do to clean.